In this video, I'll be showing you how to adjust page border margins in Microsoft Word. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So once you open up Microsoft Word, make sure your page frame is active. Then go ahead and click on the Design tab, because by default you'll be on Home. So go ahead and click on Design, and then look to the absolute far right side of the toolbar, then click on the Page Borders button right here. Now, a borders and shading window is then going to open. Now, look at the bottom right quadrant of the page border panel and then click on the options button. Now, once you're in this option area, what you can basically go ahead and do is just basically change how much, like the size that you want your border to be, like top and bottom, and then you can also do left and right as well. You can also measure from edge of page, or you can measure it from the text if you want to, and then you should have all the setting where it says always display in front. That way your text doesn't like overlap it or anything. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.